What a beautiful afternoon this turned out to be. So we're going to do a cold start. I actually haven't started this thing in, I don't know, two or 3 days. I don't even know for sure if the battery is going to start it up, but now's a good time to find out. Well, there you go. She fired right up. So, I don't know what day you're going to see this video. I know I've got videos all the way up till Monday already recorded. So you probably won't see this video till, hell, I don't know, Thursday? You'll probably see this video about a week after I actually made it. We are going to go take pictures because it is Friday, November 2nd. And, well, quite honestly, we just need to get this thing down to the lot, man. It's pretty much ready to go. So I'm going to snap some pictures, send the pictures over to Mike, and, you know, we'll take this thing on an hour drive and see how she does. I really don't want to get rid of this one. I don't know why I feel some kind of like attachment to this thing. It's not pulling when I hit the brakes anymore either. So whatever that was seems to have cleared. It's probably just a sticking caliper. And it seems to have resolved itself. This thing was obviously parked for a long time. So this is the spot we're going to snap some photos. I still hate getting rid of it though. I really do. This is a good car. It may be a little bit of a beater, but she's a good ride. I figured we'd do one more quick walk around for you guys. I'll probably throw a little tire shine on it. I've had so many of you want me to put the back to black on it, you know, darken up these moldings and bumpers and fix this quarter panel and do the hail damage and repaint it. And look, ladies and gentlemen, this is a cheap car. All right, we're not going to do anything to it. I topped off the fluids. Fluids are good. The alignment's not bad to the point that I'd be concerned about it. Slightly off just a little bit. And you know what? I think we're going to list it a little higher. I think around $1,650, because I believe this car is worth, because I know cars, I honestly believe this car is easily worth $1,500. Easily, just because of how damn reliable, solid of a vehicle it is. That everything works. There's no, it's running actually, there's no lights on the dash at all. The stereo bumps, I had some of you asking about that. Yeah, we got the code. I ended up getting the code for free from Volvo of North America. So that was pretty cool. No leaks, no nothing. Look how clean this thing is, man. Listen how quiet it is. Man. I don't know why I feel such a connection to this old beater, but I really do. I really don't want to let this one go. I don't. I like this one, but I mean, got to make that money, right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the road. Here we go. 176,085 miles. We're cruising at 65 miles an hour. Everything is nice and smooth. This car rides like a dream. Even these leather seats. These leather seats are ridiculously comfortable. I don't know, man. I feel like this car is worth more than $1,200. I think we should be able to get 14 out of it. What do you think? And hopefully it sells soon. Car lot could use some money. Could use selling some of these cars and get some cash coming in to hit up the next auction. Let's continue on and see how she does. Now, I bet when you guys think of Oklahoma, you don't ever think of traffic, right? Oklahoma couldn't have any traffic. Yeah, let me tell you something. I've been to Manhattan. I've been to New York City. I've been to San Francisco, Los Angeles. Let me tell you something. We got traffic, baby. Interstate. 0 miles an hour. ridiculous. Of course, it is 5:19, so it's rush hour on a Friday. But yeah, think again if you think Oklahoma doesn't know what traffic is. Take a look behind me. Look in this rearview mirror. I don't know if you can see that. Look at all this. Well, so far so good. The car is doing great. My only complaint right now is some dumbass in a Fiat. This little tiny Fiat, this flannel shirt and yeah, this guy, man, he's literally right next to me. I'm cruising, doing the speed limit like I'm supposed to, minding my business, and he doesn't even look over to decide to start turning into me. Literally, he almost hit me. He didn't even look, just whoop, started coming over, blew the horn at him, and he freaked out and he swerved back to the left and he's like all over the road. And then he started doing like 30, 40 miles an hour on the highway. He was crawling like he was scared. It's like, dude, there are some people that don't belong in the driver's seat of a car. That guy was one of them. Abso-freaking-lutely, man. All right, so we are coming into Blanchard right now. Probably stop and get a little bit of gas real quick because we're still burning up the oh, this is a natural gas station. Oh shoot, well that's not gonna cut it. Yeah, we're not putting natural gas in this bad boy. She wants that old school fossil fuel. All right, so that was my bad. The Valero is the next gas station up, so we'll have to stop there. I want to put some fresh gas in her. But man, I'm surprised by this car. You know, a few little quirks, nothing serious, nothing major at all. Do some minor maintenance to it. Man, this thing should last a long time. It's a solid vehicle and it's comfortable as hell. I did not know that about a Volvo. It is very, very comfortable. See if we can get some of that premium unleaded right here. All right, we got our full tank of premium unleaded and we're cruising down these back roads, man. This is a hell of a drive. It really is a hell of a drive to get out here. But it's a good test for these cars, man, because if they can handle this rush hour stop and go traffic with bumps and dips and construction and everything, just constant stop and go, man, if they can make it down here, these are some decent cars. You know, if you can make it down here with no issue. And this is another one, man. Another one. A complete win. Oldie but a goodie. Man, look at these hills. Like, I'm not kidding you. It's just constantly up, and now we're going back down. And then we're going to go back up again. But it's beautiful country out here, though. Lots of greenery, lots of trees, and not a whole lot of traffic out this way. It's a beautiful area to live for sure. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Weird Beard Auto Sales. Remember that car, right? Yep. Hell to the yeah. Well, there they are. All three of them. Hey, it's getting there, man. It's getting there. Takes time and patience. But there she is. Weird Beard Auto Sales. We got Tim over there in the background. Came up in the Chevy Cruze. So now I guess all that's left to do is sell them. Man, I love this car though. I do. I really love this car. All right, so the Volvo made it with no trouble. It's been listed for sale for $1,450 or best offer. I will tell you this, we did sell something. One of the cars sold. We're going to talk about that in another video. But until then, which car do you think sold? Do you think it was the stinking Lincoln, the Volvo, or the Audi. We'll talk about it in another video, but until then, I'm gonna get out of here because I got stuff to do. But give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, a thumbs down if you think the content sucks. Either way, let me know. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not currently a subscriber, and click that bell icon so you can be notified of future video updates. We need to do a live stream here in the near future. Yeah, we need to do that. Check out my merch store at the end of the video. Click on the picture of the t-shirt. It'll take you to the merch store. Get yourself a shirt or a coffee mug or a sticker or something. Help support the channel. We will catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.